Who owns the market? Is it the individuals?
Okay.
The government owns the market. The government regulates the market.
Yeah.
In fact, we passed a law in Anambra State House of Assembly, which is the Anambra State Market Law, 2024. That law regulates the market.
Okay.
So, if you rent a shop in the market owned by the government, you are subject to the rules and regulations governing the market.
Yeah.
So, through that, the instrumentality and framework of the law, the government has a right to regulate the market. And that's what Mr. Governor is saying. If you don't want to abide by the laws governing the market, you are free to leave. He's not saying, he's not forcing anybody to trade on Monday or Tuesday, but he is saying that if you want to trade in main market or any other market in Anambra State, you have to open on Mondays. So it is up to you. If you think you don't want to abide by it, fine and good, you leave. Go and build your own warehouse.
Yeah.
Go and build your own building and close it on Monday. No one is against that. But the primary thing is not about who opens or who doesn't open. The primary thing is that the governor is trying to rescue Anambra from economic sabotage.
All people like this, they make government Jaffa. People like this, they make government Jaffa because they cannot simply advise the governor. No one only need only with the policies or they cannot advise him because they have him at the nature of their job. A big sycophant that they cannot say, organ if he email at home, no governor take a step to do very bad. Hana put on national TV. Now put all over. Then they disgrace you all in the name of Nahana defend what is indefensible. When you mean government regulate the market, when they make market in a protest now, so show me the law. They are clearly telling you now that particular law, State House of Assembly in regulation of the market, go and show them the part of the law where the State House of Assembly members stated now governor will write Igbo people be able to pay shop. Tell me, and with so many Igbo do na market, government in a regulate, even in this Yafia. No regret. Even the market association, and when a market, name the president of the market or chairman of the market, when you won't get her, I want you to tell me part of that law, both in the government, ebe government in where power, ebe power government, ebe in this Yafia bido, ebe in this Yafia, go to both of them and show me anywhere where is stated, no way power, ebe madoni, who need a mepedili shop or not. It's more like the landlord owns his house. Landlord will take every decision, including bashing in inside my house without notification because no one will build it. Tell me, because landlord of course owns the house, but as far as he have to go for public use, and with limitations, and don't will exceed your limit or your right. The tenant will sue you and they take your time. The tenant will win you in your own house. So all this they been dokayasina on chichin down on a state get defend before now because now the snake guy will go now or we will enough him on put on national television now to go and advise the governor where no gafe loke as an anamaganoke ahas uji. Okari hetua. Go and show me the law. Empower governor. He is instruct mother. Ni who near you to as pandano. We decide the anama may pay shop for 2 weeks or for 1 month. A Jew landlord over. He can shop when he call shop. Otoni na tonafia. Anamatue. Levini na nato. Anamatue. Add them up to date na no tuni na my record. We decide the anama may pay shop for like 2 months in the mafia. Can look business you know. Tell me this is what we are talking about. We are not saying the government they won't we regret it would not have, but tell me in all these laws in a man case in the State of House of Assembly passer, tell me where is stated that now only Obona get me shop here on Monday. Tell me, it's a decision. Yes, it's a decision. It will go is when they feel na government mafia. It will ka individuals is when we complex is here. The money just outside the market. But if a landlord cannot do certainly, landlord nwere ike tis on certain iwu n'ihe lita dustbin n'ihe menga na shop aye eghe until after 10 or 12 or aye eghe after 10 p.m. or after 12 a.m. in the morning. O nwere ike ime olu abata ma olu ejewe m ebe mma na mma azụgide afia ruo time solum. But afụbụrụ landlord ya bịa gwa mmadụ na iwu unu ya emeperele shop even when you are not owing. This is the truth unu ya eje na-agwa gọvanọ. Ọ bụrụ ịdatụrụ ya ụga sọsọ ka e wee na-enye unu ego ma ọ ka unu wee retain opposition unu. Government will come and government will go. Legacy and the record unu government will fagbugoro political career so many of you. Pata na ụfọdụ n'ime unu jecha as commissioner or jecha as House of Assembly members. Ebe a ka political career unu nwụrụ. Everybody will forget you. Everybody will forget you. Udoji award ka ụwa niile ji wee chetagide Udoji. Even after how many years Udoji anọrọzi na active politics, still akaji Udoji award wee na-echeta Udoji wee ruo that. But some of you cannot look for something unu nwere ike ime. Look at this woman who kwuru, if I perish, I perish. Ọ mmadụ ya eme. He delivered justice. That woman onye INEC. She delivered justice, sorry. Wee na-echeta wee ruo taa. Man, unu baa na place of authority. You people cannot do that. And also state government and nuance una mark here good. Una spend there a whole time. We not justify what is it. Go and show me the law where it state na government na part of the power government we na afia wo imeni wurele wo na mmadụ emepe shop here on Monday or in any day at all. Because I can decide to lock my shop for 1 month or some name audit or some jewel or some one name travel. Mgbachie ya si na mma retain shop a ndeche ebe nneje bata mgbeyekwe provided na onye nwe shop na nna akwụ ya ụgwọ na mụ nọ up to date na ụgwọ m. It's none of your business. Olu governor jee na Abia State ojejuo governor of Abia State Alex Oti etu o si wee mbe people pụtara majority of ndị Abia na-apụta kịta na-eme business on Monday. Let asịrị ụzụ amaghị akpụ na egbe anya n'ọdụ okwu a tọrọ anyị niile. So onye jee n'ọwụ n'ọnwụ with Alex Oti ọjụ Alex Oti, how did you do it? Alex Oti emeghe by 3 people iwu by inclusion right of people omeghe. He did this systematically. He should go and ask him how he was able to raise confidence again in people na apụta on Monday then eme business. Ọ bụrụ ife unu na-eme na Anambra State a na-eme onye mmadụ nwere ala nne ya apụta na national TV ịbịa defend. If you don't want to do it, you go. Ọkacha nọ eme ha just a little authority unu ya enwe onye ahụ ebido exhibit a level of arrogance. Look at how arrogant if you don't want to do, you go to your house or you can go and build your own way house because none na you mafia. Also Soludo nwe mafia abi Soludo nwe the mafia. Government will come and government will go. Legacy will remain. That is how ụfọdụ n'ime unu ji wee gbuo na political career unu today. Unu si ha ebe ahụ unu nọpụta unu ahịa gazi fọdụ unu ahịa gazi kama unu echigaba azụ echigaba. Unu ahịa learn lesson. Look at it, mmadụ si wee dọna na mee pụ unu na-akọtu. If you don't want it, you go. Make a security do. Even onye a na-ekwu ife akịta nwere ike ndị okpuru ede ịtọ ma ndị okpu green ịnọ nwere ike na ọ na-ero na-eche mana ọ bịara ebe a ma ọ na-agbawasị ọnụ na-achọ ka ndị mmadụ nusta na Monday. You need to create that confidence. People need to see that na ebe niile adịgo secured. It takes time because na onye nwụọ ndị ọzọ ewere ewe nwụrụ akọ. So nobody want to take that risk. Nobody want to take that risk. You need to build confidence in people. And you just need to find a way to do it, to show people that security, their life and property, the well secured. That is what you need to do. Instead of either 3 people, you should call a whole battalion of police and army. So you can mafia. Non even bulletproof motor. Motor in on air bulletproof. Boss on air. Costa boss on air. Soludo bulletproof. Motor in on air bulletproof. In on Zene, it wasn't the GC Agombo Hapotanilo. One bad police in Wiki ended the whole legacy in Wegulu. Somebody should go and tell Soludo this. For then I'll be defend the nonsense. Defend the one nonsense. defend the one nonsense. Continue to defend the nonsense.